guys gotta come check this out.
Back of the motorcycle. What you love was a day. Doing here. You're good. You're like, don't hassle me, please. Thank you for having us here, Planet 101.
There's live paintings in front of a lot of people. She donates her time to come to us to do this, just to make money for the Band of Brothers. She doesn't charge us $1 that goes here because it all goes to them. So yeah, if any of you guys are out there, you love art, you love the process, there's something behind all these, everything that happens here. And yeah, we're gonna auction this off right afterwards. Every other year we've gotten a good amount of money that goes straight to the Band of Brothers, and this year is a pretty special one for me.
Absolutely.
The sisters up here. LP was a drummer who played at the first 4 Live Fast rallies with the bands who were here. He's a badass motherfucker. He's played at every LFR. Super talented musician, and
just an awesome dude.
Yeah, LP was a
books.
force of a human. Like that, you be around him, I swear to God, he was just, I don't know, he was the light, huh, Stace? Yeah. So what Suzanne's doing, they've already talked about the colors that they want to do here. She's pre-painted a canvas. You want us to help you do this?
Or you can show it if you want to.
All right, you want to hold this up?
So in the past, Suze, usually the canvas is black, but I'm pretty sure she painted this canvas. If you look at it, it's a little bit of a storm going on.
Yeah, Opie's up in he's up in the clouds right now for sure.
All right, you'll see Suze's process here. They're gonna hold the canvas behind her, and Suze is gonna press her up against and transfer the paint.
Put your foot behind there. Put it all the way to the front of the...
Straight up and down. Thank you, boys.
And Suze is super meticulous about this. She pays attention to every inch of Stacy's body, make sure that it lays down in the right way.
Suzanne has been doing this since year 3. Year 3.
Year 3.
Los Alamos was the first one. Every one of the models now, they're...
I know. Let's get the models up here. I know Jillian's out here. Jillian, get up here.
Jillian's around here somewhere. I don't know if Gemma's here yet. Catherine's not here this year.
Catherine's not here.
Yeah. And I'm missing one? Oh, and Ori's not here either.
Ori's not here. Jillian, where are you? All right, as you'll see, look at Suze. Takes her time on every part of the body.
You got this, Stace. You got this. Jillian, come on
All
up.
right, here comes Jillian, a past model.
Yeah. It's one of our past models, Jillian. I don't know if you want to talk about your experience real quick while she's doing this.
Oh, absolutely. Hi, everyone. 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to be up here and just experience this amazing, liberating, soulful.
Can you say kind of what's going on?
Yeah. So Suze is really energetic and bubbly, and I anticipated it being just kind of a funny experience. And getting to see her in her creative form was so amazing. She's so intense, she's so loving, she's so caring, and she just gets into your soul. And before this process, you talk to her and you get to share your experience and what you're going through. And 2 years ago, my son almost died in a car fire. And day 3, they told me to make arrangements because he probably wouldn't make it. And being here and getting to share in this experience and knowing the pain that she's gone through in just a tiny little way, and how beautiful you feel afterwards, seeing your spirit on canvas. It's just, and I thankfully somebody gave me back my painting, and so I get to look at it every day, and I get to remember being here, being with all you guys, being topless. Yeah, it's great, and she added a little nipple to it. But it's a beautiful experience, and if any one of you have the opportunity to have a session with Suze, I highly recommend it. If you are a survivor of divorce, breast cancer, men, women, the loss of a loved one, a reawakening in your life, this is a beautiful way of capturing it, and I promise you will never regret it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you
Jillian.
very
That
much.
was
Yeah,
perfect. All right, guys, we're getting in there. You guys gonna trip
This
when,
one is gonna be
when she pulls her away from the canvas. It's amazing. Love you, Stace.
I love you too.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
This year it's turning out badass. I mean, I know you guys can't see what's happening really up here, but this is really an amazing process.
All right, guys, just to remind you, this painting will be up for auction the second it's done. We're gonna run a little auction up here. In the past, we've had people lined up, throwing money at it. Like Jillian said, she ended up with her painting, which is awesome. So cool.
We're almost there. Okay guys, real quick, not trying to take it away from this, but if you are signed up for the slow race, we got 16 guys, please go over to the LFG booth. It's gonna be happening right after this race, or after this painting. We're gonna start the races, we're gonna pull our positions and make up the brackets. So if you are signed up for the slow race, please make your way to the LFG booth.
All right, here we go. Everybody take a look. The end result. Let's hear it for Stacy.
Here you go, Stace.
Let's go, Stace.
It's beautiful.
That's cool.
Like I said, these two have been best friends for, I mean, I can't even, for my whole entire life.
That's cool.
So for them to go through this process, they've never done it before, it's a special one for them to go through it together.
Cool.
Turns out fucking rad too, look at that thing.
All right, guys, come take a look at the finished product.
All right, so you guys know the rules. Point A to point B, slowest to get there, doesn't put their feet down.
There he is. What's up, Bob? Oh, what's up?
Hey, I got the food.
Can't cross the center, can't go out off the side. Yo, grab a couple of these cones and a fucking line. I got you. Flex it up, flex it up.
21, he just turned 21. Like,
Where's Matt?
we like it.
Hey, real quick, let's give a round of applause for all the guys that throw the Live Fast Rally, the fucking greatest rally of the year! Woo! Not you, Thomas. Not you.
All right, Carl. Got you, Doc. Get this shit.
That's pretty easy.
All right, front tires in the front of this lane.
That's all you gotta do.
Are you good?
Carl Anderson is here.
Are you watching these? When she drops this flag, you guys are going down. Here we go.
Give me a rough one.
All right, Carl. I read. There you go. There you go.
That's sheer determination.
There you go, Carl. Keep it up, homie.
Oh, he's staring him down.
Keep it up, homie. No. Oh, shit. No. Chill. Yep. Yeah. Keep it up now.
Oh my God, it's going down to the fence.
You got it. Good job, Jack. Man, don't let the cowboy heads lead. Hey, you guys, we got royalty in the house. We got the kings of slow races. The fucking TR boys. Here we go. There we go, baby.
Holy
Look at Ray.
Hey, you don't get the kings of slow race right now, race.
Hey, you gotta pass. I'm telling you right now, this is the best slow races you ever see. Gotta pass.
Ah, damn. Hey, it don't matter if you win by an inch or not.
Some people get lucky.
All right, Ray, go throw that motherfucker on the tender.
I know. Well, okay, there was like a half of the dashes. I'm like, okay, I'm on. I was like, that wasn't how I wanted to win them either, man. But I wanted, even if I lost to the finish, I'd have been way better with that.
Said he was coming back.
All right. Next up, we got Matt, Death Suppliers and Miller Time. Jump start, that's how you do it. Let's go down, friends.
Right on top of it here.
Well, here we go, boys. We got a winner right here. We got a raffle white winner on the right, four-way sprinter on the fucking left. Oh shit! John is still on it, baby. He's still got the skill. I don't know if he's got enough to fucking take Connor down though. This nah, look at Connor. God damn, John, let's go. Face. Look at this fool. Oh, that's right, Connor, baby. Woo! No fucking problem. Connor on the loader bike showed him how to do it. Yeah. Miller Time. He ain't new to this. He's true to this. Believe that. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay. Are you gonna get past the first? Well, okay, guys. It's all right. It's all right. Still got some skill.
Looking like Brennan's on. Woo! Off to a hot start.
Might have a fucking race against him. Race against him.
Doesn't look scared.
a cigarette, he's disqualified. All right, we got a fucking race. Joe also has a belt buckle on. He's on a slow race. West Coast Classic.
All right, Joe, Matt. Here we go. Ventura County boys. Let's see how it ends up.
This is gonna be a race, boys. Let's fucking go, baby, come on!
we were planning on one-on-one, and we wanted to look out you guys for having us here. I just got kind of wanted to
our latest release.
What do they run?
That right, $4.99 on the website. If you picked up one up today, it was $400.
So they've got all those made in the factory. This let it sit out there. They don't want to touch. Just on the other side of the screen. This is such a cool texture. It's not eating because I'm doing this.
Or did they come out with a package?
Yeah.
Weekend of Hands.
I do. Yes, yes. There's a woman's face. I will be going in and I can next time. I've heard a lot about you.
Because I knew how hot it was going to be.
Yeah, we wanted to get there. We wanted to get matching bracelets.
Does it fit all right? You want
How's it going, bud?
all right?
Good.
Where you go with the mask around? To put them on the ceiling so when they ring on my